Fine. Today we'll start with another topic. Okay, you can hands down. We'll start with another type of a topic which is similar to the tautology and contradiction, which is called as logical equivalence. Okay, we'll start with another topic called as logical equivalence. Whether this is audible? Okay, take down heading as logical equivalence. Logical equivalence. So, what is this actually logical equivalence? Okay, first everybody, at least you people know what is the meaning of equal. Don't send present. Madam is taking attendance. Okay, don't send present today. Another madam is taking attendance. Fine. Okay. So listen to the class. So logical equivalence, basically, we know what is the meaning of equal. Okay, we know what is the meaning of equal. If I tell, for example, A equal to B. If I tell, for example, A equal to B, what is the meaning of that? Both A and B are equal. Means what? If A's value is 5, then B's value also will be 5. If A's value is 5, automatically what we will tell? B's value is also 5. This is called equals or equivalence. Then what is this logical equivalence? How it is related to our logical connectives? How it is related to our logical connectivity? How it is related to our truth table and all? We will see. So here, considering the propositions, for example, imagine we have a problem like this. For example, think that I have a proposition. Okay, I have a proposition P and I have another proposition Q. I have a proposition P and I have a proposition Q. So what is logical equivalence? Logical equivalence means proposition P should be equal to proposition Q. How? We will see in the problems. Okay. Proposition P should be equal to proposition Q. What is that meaning? For example, think that proposition P. Okay, listen carefully. For example, I will tell proposition P is nothing but Bangalore is in Karnataka. Bangalore is in Karnataka. Okay. What does it mean? Bangalore is in Karnataka. Does it mean Q also is Bangalore is in Karnataka? Does it mean to tell general agi equal antandrenu? I told you proposition P is equal to proposition Q. Does it mean if proposition P is Bangalore is in Karnataka, does it mean proposition Q is also Bangalore is in Karnataka? No. What they are telling here, they should be logical equivalent to each other. They need to be logical equivalent to each other. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this, ma'am? You have told P is equal to Q. Then what is the meaning of logical equivalence? I will show you the meaning. One second. Sorry, I forgot to accept few of them. Okay, so here, for example, consider here the proposition. Consider here two propositions, proposition P and proposition Q. Consider here two propositions, proposition P and proposition Q. What they will give here? For example, proposition P is X is an odd integer. For example, proposition P, if they are given X is an odd integer, and they will give proposition Q is equal to X is not divisible by 2. X is not divisible by 2. For example, consider here two propositions. Consider here two propositions, proposition P and proposition Q. Proposition P is x is an odd integer. Proposition Q is x is not divisible by 2. For example, consider here x is equal to odd integer anta kottaru. What they have given? X is the odd integer. For time being, I'll take x is 7. Why I have taken x is equal to 7? Because I learned kottaru odd integer anta kottaru. Odd integer anta kottaru. Okay, I think you came to know till here. X is nothing but an odd integer. X is what? I have taken 7. You can take 3, you can take 5, you can take 9. Whatever you wish, whichever odd number you want, you take down. Whichever odd number you want, you take down. Not an issue. Then, coming to the next statement Q. Coming to the next statement Q. Q is what? X is not divisible by 2. X is not divisible by 2. What is the meaning of x? X is what? 7 anta tagoni. So 7 is not divisible by 2 and 7 is an integer anta barizini. So what I have taken? X I have considered. Okay, illen kottara x is an odd integer and Q is nothing but what? X is not divisible by 2. These two are logical equivalents anta kottara. How to explain now? Who don't know what is logical equivalent? How to explain now? So I'll take x as 7. You take x as 5. You take x as any of a odd integer. Now replace this x with whatever the number you have taken. 7 is an odd integer anta tagotini. Whether you know or whether you will accept. Whether you will accept 7 is an odd integer. Whether my voice is not clear? Whether my voice is not clear? Clear. Check your internet. Whoever has problem. I think from my side it's clear. Okay. So here what? P. I told x is an odd integer and Q is divisible by 2. X is not divisible by 2. I tell that P is logically equivalent to Q. P is logically equivalent to Q. What is the meaning of this? Proposition P is logically equivalent to proposition Q. What is the meaning of this? P n kottaru namgo x is an odd integer anta kottaru. What is Q? X is not divisible by 2. Okay. So what I have taken here? X as I have taken x is equal to 7. For time being, I have taken x is equal to 7. So I will replace this. 7 is an odd integer. Do you agree with this, everybody? 7 is an odd integer. Yes, everybody will agree that 7 is an odd integer. Coming to the next proposition, proposition Q. I tell that 7 is not divisible by 2. Whether 7 is not divisible by 2? Yes. If it is an odd number, definitely it will not be divisible by 2. Or else 7 is an odd number. 7 is odd number and then 7 is not divisible by 2. 7 is not divisible by 2. What is the meaning of that? 7 is not divisible by 2? Definitely odd number antandre no, it will not be divisible by 2. Even number, it will be divisible by 2. Yes or no? Odd number, it will not be divisible by 2. Even number, divisible by 2. Everybody has this basic knowledge. Yes or no? Basic knowledge everybody has. Don't send present. Attendance is taken by other madam. So, x is an odd integer. So, next is x is not divisible by 2. So what happens? I have considered x to be 7. I have considered what? X to be 7. So 7 is an odd integer. 7 is not divisible by 2. Do you agree with these two things? Yes. 7 is not an integer. Correct. 7 is not divisible by 2. Correct. Andre, what is the inner logic of this? Whichever number is odd, it is not divisible by 2. Whichever number is even, definitely it is divisible by 2. This is a basic knowledge everybody minimum has. The number which is odd is not divisible by 2. The number which is even, it is divisible by 2. This knowledge everybody has. So equivalent anta helade nanu, it is logical equivalent. Does it mean p x is a odd integer idre q nu x is a odd integer anta kottara? Illa, ಬೇರೆ sentences ಇದ್ದಾವ, but logically they are equal. Logically there is a relationship between these two statements. So what is actually logical equivalent? Given two propositions, proposition P and proposition Q, they are equal to each other. It doesn't mean that sentences are same, but it means that inner logic is same. It doesn't mean sentences x is a odd integer. Illi na x is a odd integer anta kottara namaga illa. X is not divisible by 2. Andre enu? Indirectly this is a odd number. We should not see sentences are same, sentences are equal. Like if proposition P is Bangalore is in Karnataka, proposition Q nu Bangalore is in Karnataka anta helಬೇಕಂತ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. So similarly here also x is a odd integer anta ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. x ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, whatever you want you consider it as a x. Then x is not divisible by 2. Obviously the number which is odd, it should not be divisible by 2. The number which is not divisible by 2, obviously it is an odd number. So there is what? There is a logical equivalent. Logically these two statements or these two propositions, that is proposition P and proposition Q, these two are what? They are logically equivalent with each other. These are logically equivalent. No doubt sentences are not same. No doubt what? Sentences are not same, but still what happens? They are logically equivalent with each other. They are logically equivalent with each other. So this is what here logical equivalent. How you need to define here? Given two propositions P and Q or U and V. Okay, in textbook they have taken given two propositions U and V. They if the two propositions are logically connected with each other and logically equivalent with each other, it means that they are logical equivalent. Okay, how to prove now? Hang prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು? Again truth table ಹಾಕಿ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is the meaning of that? I am telling that truth value ಹಾಕಿ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ. How we need to prove that? For example, the symbol, before going to the exact problem, the symbol for logical equivalent is something double dash with both side arrow mark. Double dash, not, it is not by condition. Don't be confused. Don't be confused. The symbol for logical equivalent is two numbers. That is what? Equal to ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ, same, equal to, and then arrow mark at the both sides. They two, proposition P and proposition Q are logically equivalent with each other anta artha. Okay, proposition P and proposition Q, these are nothing but what? These are logically equivalent with each other. Okay, till here everybody, you people came to know. Another thing we can prove is, or using truth table we need to prove, no doubt. They will tell here logical equivalent, no doubt two propositions or two results should be same anta kodtare. For example, I will consider here P and Q anta it was P disjunction Q. I will tell, they will ask us to prove P disjunction Q is logically equivalent. P disjunction Q is, we need to prove whether it is logically equivalent to P conjunction Q. Just an example. Okay, I don't know whether it is logical equivalent or no. Just an example how to prove. Hand prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವೆರಡು ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Now this is separate as we know. We need to prove, for example, ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನ P ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is logically equivalent to Q. ಹೌದಾ? P is what? P disjunction Q. Q is P conjunction Q. We need to check. Even I don't know the result. We need to check what? Whether these are logically equivalent or no. And result ಬರ್ತದ, that I want to show you. Okay. Now see here. No doubt this is a question here. We need to prove with the help of a truth table, as I have already said. First, I will set the truth table for P disjunction Q. See here, as usual, we have two propositions. So whenever you start writing a truth table, just notice how many propositions are there. If P and Q ಎರಡೇ ಇದ್ರೆ just 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ. If I have three propositions, that is proposition P, Q and R, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You need to write from 0 to 7, that is 8 possibilities. Now we'll go here. Now out here I have only two propositions, P, proposition Q, P, Q. Proposition P, disjunction Q. We need to prove whether it is logical equivalent to, actually hing ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, just truth table ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. For your understanding I am showing this, okay. We need to prove whether it is equal to P. See again here we have two propositions, proposition P conjunction proposition Q, Q, P conjunction Q, okay, P conjunction Q. Next 0 0 0 1, write the four possibilities. We need to write what? Four possibilities, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Finally, what is our disjunction rule or OR gate rule? What is our OR gate rule? It is nothing but 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1. I will solve this. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. What will be the result here? It is nothing but conjunction. It is 0 0 0 1. Okay, just I have written the truth table of disjunction and conjunction. Now we need to see whether they are logically equivalent or no. Okay, we need to check whether they are logically equivalent or no. How to check now? First you need to see the result, because they have given us this final result, and here also this is the final result. We need to check whether P disjunction Q is logically equal to P conjunction Q. Hang check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Last result whatever will be there, that is P disjunction Q, it should be equal to the final result of P conjunction Q, because ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? We need to prove whether, I don't know whether it is correct or no. So P conjunction Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು last, this row, this column is logically equivalent to P conjunction Q, means what? This column. Whether ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0, ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ 0. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ 0. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 0. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ whether this is correct, sorry, this is 1 1, because this is, we have done disjunction here, we have done okay. Good, all are active. Thanks. Okay, fine. Here I have what? 0 1 1 1. It is disjunction, and here I have 0 0 0 1. We need to check whether 0 is equal to 0. Yes, 0 is equal to 0. Next, whether 1 is equal to 1. Illa, wrong. If 1 is equal to here 0, wrong. Here 1 is equal to 1. So finally ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ 0 1 1 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು 0 1 1 1, ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್. Otherwise it is not logically equivalent. For example, here also I got 0 1 1 1 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. Here also I have got ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ, 0 1 1 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? Here also I have 0 1 1 1, here also I have 0 1 1. Same you need to get. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 0 ನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ 1. If here it is 1, here also it should be 1. And if here this is 1, here last also should be 1. If each and truth values antivi, these are called as zeros and ones are called as truth values. If these truth values match with each other for each and every row, then it is called as logical equivalent. Otherwise it is given with a symbol that it is not logically equivalent. P disjunction Q is not logically equivalent to P conjunction Q. I think you came to know the what is called as the how we need to prove. Text book na heng torustara, whether ಎರಡು separate truth table ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ ನಮಗ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋರಿ, ಅದೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. In textbook how they will show, instead of writing again PQ, what they will do directly, ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ just they will write P conjunction Q ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. P conjunction Q ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? 0 0 0 1 directly. Again ಮತ್ P ನಿಮಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾನು, but it is not compulsory to put separately. Just ille compare ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ 0 0 1 0 no ille ಹೋಯ್ತು. So it is not logical equivalent with each other. You need to prove compulsory with a truth table. Same as the tautology and contradiction, but here what is the necessary? The two result compulsory ಎರಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. Okay, for example one result or one what is called its combination should be compulsory equal to another combination anta kotirtara. So these final results should be equal with each other. If it is not equal, then just put it is not equivalent. So this is how you need to prove in the examination, or they will be asking this for 2 marks or 3. Dodda problem is, for example 3 variable truth table is doddadu irthuda, so they may ask for 5 marks. So we have studied what last class was about tautology. Tautology, everything should be 1. Contradiction, everything should be 0. Contingency, combination of zeros and ones. Whereas in this next topic, logical equivalent, it is similar to the other problems, but here the two, that is what propositions. This is, if you consider this to be one proposition, this has another proposition, they need to be equal with each other. Logical andre no, 0 should match with 0, 1 should match with 1. This is called as logical. Logics anta ante. Okay, everybody followed the concept. We'll solve one by one small problems today. Everybody followed the concept. What is actually logical equivalent? Same questions ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Okay. Okay, fine. Now we'll solve, this is just a basic concept I have told. We'll solve small problems for today. Take down the questions. For any propositions, for any two propositions, for any two propositions, which are the two propositions? For any two propositions P and Q, P comma Q, prove. See here question what they will give. Prove P condition Q is logically equivalent to compulsory. Logical equivalent andra you need to compulsory put is equal to with 2 arrow marks. Again by condition ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ symbol. Is logically equivalent to, see here, P, close the bracket, disjunction Q. Copy it correctly if you are copying. We need to prove what? P condition Q is logically equivalent to what? Negation P, disjunction Q. We need to prove negation P, disjunction Q. Now we will see whether it is a logical equivalent or no. First I will solve. First note out here how many propositions they have used. P, Q, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ P, Q ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. So we need to consider only two propositions, that is P and Q. So first P I'll write, then Q. First P and then Q. First is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 1. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 and 1. Next, first I will write what? I'll solve this P condition Q. Directly I will solve. Idu separate en madala. One day truth table club ಮಾಡಿ I will check whether it is equivalent or no. Okay, fine. Now what is P condition Q? Directly I'll write 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Directly P condition Q. It is 1 1 0 1. Next, what we want here? Negation P. I will solve first negation P. I will solve first negation P. Where is P? Here we have a P. Here I have P. 1, 0 is 1. Negation andre ಏನು? Reverse. 0 means 1. 0 means again 1. 1 means 0. 1 means 0. Okay, negation. Then last final column. Negation P. Disjunction Q. Negation P. Disjunction Q. Where is negation P? This is negation P. What we need to do? We need to do the OR operation with what? With Q. See here. We need to consider column 2 and column 4. First 0 and 1. 1. OR operation madagatin now. Then 1 and 1. It is 1. Next 0, 0. It is 0. 1, 0. It is 1. See here. 1 and 0. It is 1. Now I have built a truth table. I have built what here? Truth table. Now P condition Q. Where is P condition Q? Concentrate on this column, third column. Next, negation P, disjunction Q is what? Concentrate on fifth column. Concentrate on fifth column. Whether these two are same? See here. 1, 1, 0, 1. Next, 1, 1, 0, 1. I think you have got this. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. Does they are matching with each other? Whether they are matching with each other? Yes, they are matching with each other. So, what we need to conclude? This is nothing but these two are logically equivalent. These two are nothing but what? They are logically equivalent with each other. I think you got this. So, instead of writing two separate truth tables, one day truth table na club ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. We need to see. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ LHS RHS. They need to match. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, this is LHS, this is RHS. They need to match. So hence LHS equal to RHS. How we will prove in your mathematics, right? Similarly here also we need to prove, but with logical. Logical ಅಂದ್ರೆ no truth value same ಇರಬೇಕು. 1 1 0 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು what we need to get here? We need to get 1 1 0 1 only. So this is how you need to prove. Whoever is copying, you can copy this. This is how you need to prove. This only for PQR hang ittandre they may ask for 5 marks also. So ದೊಡ್ಡ problem ಇತ್ತು. ಇದೇ LHS is big, RHS is also big. Anta time again, definitely they'll be asking for more marks. You need to be prepared. But ultimately, what is the concept here? Logical connectives. What is the concept here? If you know logical connectives, everything is easy. Adr mele san hosa topics madkonta hoga. Bere enu illa. I hope this everybody, you people got. Whether you people got, everybody? Whether everybody followed? Okay. I'll give another problem on this. Small problem. And another one thing I just want to tell before I conclude today's class. Listen carefully. And idu admele explain madbeku ankonide nanu. If you notice here, P condition Q is what? 1101. What is this value? It is 1101. Both are same. Oh, it's not, both are logical equivalent. But if you do the by condition, this is extra. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯು, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವಿ, ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಯು by condition V, everything should be tautology, everything should be 1 and 1. If you consider the LHS as U and RHS as V, when we do the by condition, not logical equivalent, by condition ಅಂತಂದು logical connective ಓದಿದ್ವಿ ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So if I do the by condition of these two, I need to compulsory get what? I need to compulsory get 1 1 1 1, or I need to get the tautology. Then it means logical connective is correct. If it is not necessary, cross verification salvaga torchina. I think you have got. If you notice here by condition 1 and 1 is 1, By condition rule ಏನದ? If you want, I'll write here. By condition is P Q. What is the by condition? P by condition Q. It is nothing but 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Here I'll be getting 1 0 0 1. ಎರಡು 0 ಇದ್ರೂ 1, ಎರಡು 1 ಇದ್ರೂ 1. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is another type of cross verification. ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no rule. Just remember till here it's more than enough for you. Okay. When they write the definition, they will tell how they are logical equivalent, and also when we do the by condition of those two, we'll get a tautology answer in definition. So how we'll get the tautology? I have shown this. Okay. But in problems, don't do all these things. Ishtamar is more than enough for you people. Fine. Everybody follow till here? Everybody follow till here? We'll solve next problem in the next phase. I think time is also going on. This much you write. The in definition, I'm clearing you. In definition, they will tell or one sentence of bardara. Logical equivalent to each other when u is equal to v, and also when we do u by condition v, we'll get a tautology. How tautology? ನೀವು ಓದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವೆರಡರದು ಬೈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟಾಟಾಲಜಿ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ನು ಅಂತಾರ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳೋದ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ. So we'll do another set of problems in the next class. Doddu problems madkonta hogon. Under 2 classes I will do on logical equivalent, move it. Okay. Small topics are there. And submit the assignment fast so that I can give tautology, contradiction assignment also. Okay. Fine. We'll end. Everybody follow today's class. Today we have started with another topic, logical equivalent. Followed everybody? Okay, fine. We'll end the session. Fine. Okay. Thank you.